Hi, I'm Rachel for ExpertVillage. Now, I have another box, another tin that is hard. Since it's dried up, it became very, very stiff, and we need to separate it from the tin. What we're going to do, I'm going to open the tin because this way it's easier to take out the paper. And we need to start turning it around like that. Just turn it, and you can see that it's starting to separate. It's a little bit hard, but you have to use a little bit of strength, force it out. And while turning it around, it's going to come out. As you're going to see. Here it is. You can see it's very hard, stable, and nice.